Going to unbox the Removu S1 kit. This is the one that comes with 2 batteries. Removu, is that how you pronounce it? This packaging is awesome. I used this Removu S1 the other day for the first time on a rainy LA day. Here are the pieces. I kept it slim because I put this in a backpack, which is one of the advantages of this device because it breaks down into these parts that, if you had big enough pockets, could actually fit in pockets, and even fully assembled, it could fit in your pocket. So I'm gonna assemble it and then run it the way I did for my shoot I used it on. You know, line the dots, turn, put the GoPro 7 inside here. Am I doing this right? This is the right, oh, this is not the right frame. These frames look the same. This one's for the GoPro Hero 4. Here's the 7 frame. Locking it in. Align the dots. Twist. All good. I have a battery loaded in here. I have 2 extra batteries if I needed to swap out the batteries. And also the control stick, which comes out here like this. This also needs power. I didn't really know how it got powered until I looked at the charger. Here's the battery charger it comes with. You have 2 slots for the batteries here, and then this slot is for the charger. So this has an internal battery. And then see where the connection is? Just put that in there. And you can have 2 batteries and the charger charging at the same time via USB. Alright, so I had that. Plug this in, and then I'm going to turn on this one and turn on the remote at the same time. There we go. Ooh, I'm down to half a bar here, and I'm down to 1 bar on the remote. Lift this up. So there you go. Here's my, I have it on pan mode. Go to follow, lock. Lock mode. Down. I like how light this is. I used to have another manufacturer GoPro gimbal. It's a Chinese model. Although this might be Chinese too. The Zune starts with a Z. I had that one, but it seemed clunky. Even though it had the pieces were nice and assembled, this one just seems like it works better because of the pieces. It seems more stable and durable, and I just trust it more as a unit. Carrying it along here. When I was using this, I noticed that there was a little. I still have to get used to operating this, but I got a visual, the mechanics of it when I'm using the joystick to turn it. I noticed that was obviously there in the footage. It does look mechanical. It doesn't look organic, but that might be because I need to practice turning it. I really liked operating the Removu S1 in this configuration, holding it straight out instead of up like this. And I think this is a really good buy for the stabilizers, gimbal stabilizers. I'm really happy with this purchase so far. It seems to have a lot of battery life, although I wish the remote control stick here had as much battery life as the batteries here. This one is supposed to run for 3 hours. This one I've had on for the same amount of time as this, and it looks like the battery's drained, so it might only last 1 hour or less than an hour, according to my usage. And then once this goes dead, you can still use the top part, but I can even unscrew it here. You can take this one completely off and then mount this to yourself, to a body, to another GoPro mount on a bicycle, and not even need this stick. But I wish that battery lasted a little longer. Anyways, this is a really good buy if you're in the market for a stabilizer. This one is fairly affordable too, considering all the things that it does, and compared to the other devices on the market. I really like the Removu S1. Goodbye.